Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some lip swatches on these Maybelline glosses. Hold on. I think these have the plumping effect. It says lifter on it, but I picked up 5 shades and I'm in NC42 for reference if anyone is around my skin tone. That is the shade that I'm in, MAC, and basically like a medium to deep shade range. That's my skin tone, but I can get really dark in the summer if I'm out in the sun. But right now I just have the Laneige lip sleeping mask on my lips. All right, I'm gonna start with the lightest to darkest. So I'm gonna start with the shade Ice, which is this one right here. So let's see how it looks. I'm gonna smell it too. This one smells like coconut. Oh, the applicator is nice and fat and juicy. It feels nice. I'm gonna do a nice coat on there. This feels really good. And it smells good too. The next shade is called Gummy Bear. Looks like this. So this lip gloss has a doe foot applicator. It's a nice and fat, juicy one. All right, Gummy Bear, let's see what you're working with. Okay. I hope you guys can tell the difference in the shades, but Gummy Bear. I'm gonna do Sweetheart next. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. Ooh, honey. This is very pigmented. Sweetheart. Definitely a sweetheart. It's giving sweetheart for sure. All right, the next one is Bubblegum. See. No, these birds better not start today. Don't ruin my video, I swear. I can't. Okay. I like this one. This one is reminding me of, I believe this is why I picked, this is what intrigued the purchase. I think I have it right here. Yes, it reminded me of the LA Girl Lip Plumper. This particular shade right here that I have, Bubblegum. So I was like, ooh, let me see. Let me see. But the LA Girl one plumps your lips. These do not. I thought they did, but they feel really nice. The last shade is called Heat. I don't know. This name right here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a light layer. Okay, that's a light layer. Don't mind my application, guys. It's a rough draft, all right? I would be taking my time if I was to go out, but you know, yeah. This is Heat. Oh, espérate. Okay guys, so that is the end of my little swatching situation. So my favorite 2 out of the 5 that I swatched are the lighter ones. I didn't realize how pigmented these were gonna be. So yeah, I mean, I guess you can control how dark you want it to be as well by not applying too many layers. But my favorite two is Gummy Bear, which I have on my lips right now, and Ice. So the shades that I didn't think would be my fave are my favorites. And these lip glosses are very, very hydrating. My lips feel so, so soft. And the applicator, the little doe foot applicator, it feels it's a nice juicy applicator, so I feel like it covers your lips in one swatch faster than like a skinnier doe foot applicator or whatever. But I thought these were plumping. I thought they had the plumping effect. That was why I was inspired to get more than one, because I was trying to replace my LA Girl plumping lip gloss, but this does not have any plumping effect to it. But overall, I am happy with them. And yeah, that is it. Let me know which one was your favorite out of all the colors that I swatched for you guys. That's the end of my video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.